welcome to Snack Attack. This week we are taking this and we're gonna put it into this. We are making banana bread this week in a mug. With just a few simple ingredients and 3 minutes in the microwave, you will have your own banana bread. So let's get started. Our ingredients are 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of the following: salt, baking powder, and baking soda. You also need 1 ripe banana mashed, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and 1 mug to make everything in. To begin, you may want to spray your mug with cooking spray or rub some butter on the inside to prevent everything from sticking together. Now you're going to start with your dry ingredients by adding the flour, both sugars, the salt, baking powder, and baking soda. You want to whisk everything together to make sure it is all incorporated. Once everything looks good, it's time to add the egg. When you add the egg, you want to stir it until it is just combined with the dry ingredients. Don't over mix it. Once the egg is combined, it's time to mix in the remaining wet ingredients. You are going to mix in the vanilla, the oil, the milk, and your mashed banana. At this point, you want to go ahead and stir everything all together. Once everything is all nice and combined, it's time to head to the microwave. Place your mug in the microwave and cook everything for up to 3 minutes. You may want to check after 90 seconds to see how far along your banana bread is. After 3 minutes, your banana bread should be ready, but be warned, it is going to be hot, so give yourself some time to let that banana bread cool. Okay, we've waited and now it's time to eat banana bread. Pretty good. Tastes like banana bread. All right, you guys, go ahead and make yourself this delicious treat. We gave you the basics. Go ahead and add whatever fun things you want to your banana bread. Maybe some chocolate chips would be delicious. Let us know how you fare with this delicious treat in a mug, and we will see you next week. Bye, everybody.